This video is to show you how to install FileMaker Go 13 on your iPad or iPhone. You will need to install FileMaker Go 13 app first. We're going to go to the App Store. It's going to come up and look at this. It's going to say free. Then you'll select install, and then you'll probably need to put in your Apple ID or password. So let's go to Safari. You'll need to go to inspectionsoftware.com. From the home page, you want to go to Downloads. On the download page, you'll see it says available at the App Store. Select that. Now right here it'll say free, and that's where it gets installed. We have already have this, so it's just on our cloud. So I'm going to download that, and it's going to start to install it. While it's installing that, I want to go to Settings. Now there's a couple things that we recommend. One, we want to be able to lock the rotation. I know this seems backwards, but what you need to do is select Mute. And then down here at the bottom, if you just take your finger and slide it up, you'll see right here, this is where the lock is. So you can lock your screen. This time I have the button to the right. You can see that it's locked. The other thing we need to do is auto lock. Now that has to do with when you turn on your iPad, you have to put in that 4-digit combination or whichever you have for security reasons. What will happen is that in the process of moving files back and forth, it comes up and says you're not authorized. The reason being is that the auto lock is timed out. So that you don't run across that, just tap that and go down here to Never. Now all that means is that every time you open up the start the iPad, it's going to ask for that combination, and then it won't go to sleep basically. So now that that's done, you'll see FileMaker Go has been installed. What I'd like you to do is if you tap on it, you need to go to here, right here where it says these two little squares. You don't need to go through Getting Started. Tap the little squares, select Home, and you'll want to get rid of this Getting Started. You don't need that. So you take your finger and you put it here, and you slide it to the left, and you select Remove. Then you go to Devices, and you do the same thing. Remove, remove, delete this case, delete, delete. So now everything is clear. Go back to your desktop. The other thing that's helpful is that, especially if you have a lot of programs, you really would like to have this down in your taskbar down here at the bottom. All you have to do is tap, hold your finger on it, and then slide it down. Select this little button here, and now you have it where FileMaker Go is at the bottom here. So whatever you turn on, you can always go right into it. And now we're ready to actually install the program. That'll be in another video. You take care. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact inspectionsoftware.com. And you have a great day.